has been confirmed that about 92% of people who set goals fail to achieve them. That is, 14 out of every 15 people. This failure occurs across many areas of life, including dreams, relationships, finances, careers, health and well-being, and personal growth. Studies confirmed that more than 70% of Americans struggle financially, and about 44% of people worldwide face financial difficulties. And it also has been confirmed that about 50% of Americans are in the wrong relationships, and this percentage continues to increase globally. Being in the wrong relationship leads to anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, and emotional trauma, making people more susceptible to illness and increase the risk of heart problems, high blood pressure, blood sugar issues, and many other health challenges. Many of these problems stem from people failing to achieve their goals. According to people, goal failure is often blamed on unclear goals, lack of consistent action, fear and doubt, emotional and mental barriers, and poor time management. However, the main reason people fail to achieve their goals is a lack of discipline. Discipline is the backbone of success. The 92% who fail to achieve their goals do so largely because they lack discipline, while the 8% who succeed achieve their goals through discipline and consistent action. When discipline is applied to goals, it pushes you out of your comfort zone, eliminates procrastination, provides structure, builds consistency, and gives you what it takes to succeed. If you look at your role models and legends like Cristiano Ronaldo, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Kobe Bryant, Serena Williams, Steve Jobs, Michael Jordan, and many others, they achieved greatness and success through discipline and consistent action. Most people think discipline is a form of punishment, but here is the truth. No goal can be achieved without discipline. Whether it's building strong relationships, becoming financially stable, getting fit and healthy, or having a successful career. To address this problem, a group of experts and professionals came together to publish a book titled The Power of Discipline: How to Build a Champion's Mindset. This book was written by experts and successful individuals to help people build discipline and achieve their goals. It provides an exact blueprint used by legends such as Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Serena Williams, Cristiano Ronaldo, and many others. The book walks readers through how these individuals developed discipline, overcame challenges, stayed consistent, and became successful. It also contains true life stories of successful people who experienced multiple failures before achieving greatness. Before publication, the book was reviewed by hundreds of experts, professionals, successful celebrities, successful individuals, and 13 billionaires, and has been confirmed that the book provides practical solutions and a clear blueprint for achieving success and reaching personal goals. If you are ready to achieve your goals and become successful, as the book offers 98% chance of helping people transform their lives and achieving their goals, to get the book, the link is in the video description. Note: the book is only for people who are truly ready to achieve their goals and become successful.